All right, today I got this deck I'm removing off the back of this house. It's a 2-story deck. It's kind of scary. When I first looked at it, the customer told me, or through text and email, he told me the top part was rotting. You can see that top deck is already sunken down. It did not look like that when I actually came out to do the estimate. It had fallen even more since I looked at it, and you can see all the decking there is all rotted out and falling down, falling apart. But I told the customer, I said, man, I'm awfully scared of going underneath there, because I had to protect that glass door underneath. I told the customer before I even bid the job or even got started on the job, I said, there's a pretty good chance that that door will get broke, the glass. But I told him up front I'll try to protect it as best I could. I was kind of worried about it until I got my machine underneath there. As you can see, I've got my machine kind of holding that top deck part up. But once I put the machine on, I could tell there's still quite a bit of strength in that deck, even though it has sunken down. I felt a little more comfortable once I got my machine underneath there. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to put the plywood over there, screw it down over the, put a little brace over there so I can have something to screw against. And then put the plywood over to protect this door from breaking. But I had told the customer up front when I looked at it and gave him a bid on it, I said, there's a chance that glass will break. I'm going to protect it best I can, but there's a chance it breaks and I wouldn't be responsible for it. And he had no problem with that. Apparently he said the door was actually installed backwards or something in the first place, so he wasn't too worried about it. But I didn't really want to clean up the glass in his house either. So anyways, that's what I'm doing now. I'm getting this window covered up and hopefully get to protect this door from getting the glass from breaking, and don't have any glass to clean up. So far, so good. I've got that front portion of it down, and now it's just kind of dangling there from the house. And you'll see here in a minute, it wasn't really held on